Hello everyone, it is Miss O'Neill here, and today is a good day to have a good day. We are going to skip ahead a bit in our math book. We are actually going to skip chapters 14 and 15 for now. We'll get back to them in a minute. First, I want to talk about time. Chapter 16, what we're doing next. I'm so excited. So for this activity, you're going to have to go not to the next page in your student workbook. You're going to have to go to where it says practice 16.1. Okay? So we are going to do really quickly before we talk about this worksheet, a little time activity together. You're going to have to be honest here, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to close your eyes when I say go. I want you to see if you can raise your hand when one entire minute has gone by. I'm going to see if you know how long a minute really is. No cheating, no peeping and looking at the timer on this video. That's why I want you to close your eyes. Let's see if you got it. So go ahead and close in 3, 2, and start. You're closing your eyes and your hand is down until you think an entire minute has gone by. Then you're going to raise your hand up. Then you can open your eyes and check if a minute has gone by. And that is halfway over. You still have half a minute left. No peeping, no cheating. All right, and that was a minute. How did you do? Do you think you got it? Do you think maybe you went a little too fast or a little too slow? Were you a lot of too fast or a lot of too slow? Just something to think about. The activity we're doing in our workbook today is all about estimating time, okay? Estimating time, there are different units for time, different ways that we measure time. We have seconds, we have minutes, and we have hours. We have things beyond that too, but first we're just talking about seconds, minutes, and hours, okay? It takes about 1 second to touch your toes. 3, 2, 1 second. It takes about 1 minute to put on your socks. It's kind of if you're being slow. It takes about 1 hour to play a board game. So if you wanted to play Candyland or maybe checkers or chess, it takes about an hour to do that. Think about the length of time. Draw or write things you do that take that long. So the first thing we're going to do together is 10 seconds. I'm going to do these 3 with you. When you have your grown-up take a picture and send me the picture of your workbook today, I want to make sure that your 3 answers are not the same as mine. You have different answers from me, okay? So let's think of something together that could take about 10 seconds to do. You know what? It would probably take me about 10 seconds to get my phone off the table or out of my pocket to see if anybody had called me or texted me or sent me an email. So it would take me about 10 seconds to check my phone. And then, let's see. I love doing quick little drawings. And then it's my phone being bright, and then here is my ponytail. Awesome. Put a dress on too. Why not? Let's be fancy. Awesome. So it takes about 10 seconds for me to get my phone and check my phone. About 5 minutes. would it take me about 5 minutes to do? I think it would take me about 5 minutes to take Jake on a short walk. Usually our walks in the morning are like 10 minutes long because I like to go around the building I live in a few times. But if it's like really, really cold or it's kind of late and I really want to go to bed, I can definitely make that walk a little bit shorter. There's Jake's curly tail and his floppy ears and the leash. Awesome. In about 1 hour, I think it would take me about 1 hour to watch a TV show. Some of the shows that I like are a little bit longer than normal TV shows. It's almost like a mini movie. So it would take me about an hour to sit down. Maybe I'll have like a bowl of popcorn here, my ponytail, and cool. So I've been watching a lot of Nailed It on Netflix. I'm not sure if you've heard of that show before, but they take people who don't bake or don't usually bake, and then they try to make them do all types of crazy baking challenges. Awesome. And then there's my TV stand too. Cool. So I want you to think of different things here, okay? Different things that take about 10 seconds to do, different things that take about 5 minutes to do, and different things that take about an hour to do, okay? Then you're going to go to the bottom to the test prep question, and then you're going to answer it. How much time would it take to eat lunch? Seconds or minutes? Okay? Awesome. And then if you really, really want to, you have the time, you can go ahead and color that in. That'd be kind of nice to do. Maybe I'll do that when the video's over. Awesome. You did a great job today. I'm so excited to start time with you. All right, we're going to be, I don't think tomorrow, probably in the next couple days, definitely by the end of the week, we're going to be talking about how to tell time on not a digital clock, not a clock like on the microwave that already says it's 7:00, what is it right now, like 7:05, but a clock that looks like that we had in our classroom. Awesome. All right, I love you a lot. I miss you a bunch, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.